Today we're going to forge some tongs out of rebar, something I just picked up at my local hardware store. The first time I'm doing this. I did some research on YouTube and I'm going to give it a go. We got the Trenton anvil, 175 pound. Got the house forge that I just got recently, set it all up. It's going to be my first time forging. So, wish me luck. Here we go. I'm working on the boss on the second. Now we're making a punch for the rivet. Just go ahead and punch this just using a screwdriver. That's all I got, guys. I got it riveted up.
adjusted, and yeah, we'll see what happens. I'm pretty sure after I grab my first piece of metal with it to actually use them, I'll probably have to make a little bit more adjustments, but we'll go from here. I'm going to say the tongs that I forged are just about done. I learned a lot throughout the process. Like again, 100 times. This is my first time making a pair of tongs. It's actually really my first time blacksmithing stuff. I shape knives and stuff like that, but I've never done any tooling or anything like that. So this is the first time I'm doing this. Let it give it a wire brush. Let you guys see what came out. Alright guys, so here's the final doing of my first tong making. I learned a lot on the way, like I said. I'll tell you what, I give credit to people that can make those look perfect. 'Cause man, that's something you're gonna have to get good at. I'm sure it's gonna take a while to learn how to do that. But again, this was fun. I think they'll be usable. I think they'll work. And I'll be able to make some more projects. Stay tuned for the next project I'm gonna be making. I'll be posting videos. So if you like what you've been seeing, go ahead and subscribe and like it. And yeah, we'll go from there. See you guys next time.